What's going on, everybody? There we go. Today we got another video with Big Bertha, a 2007 Yukon. What we're doing today is I found these LED taillight bulbs, and I want to see how they work, if they work. It is a entire unit, the housing and everything, with the LED bulbs in there, and then the connector, so it should work perfectly, you would think. We're going to find out. So the bulbs that I have in here, they are just not worth two wet farts. They don't last too long. Like, I don't know if it's just the lack of quality of LED bulbs that I'm choosing or what, but as you can see, it's barely lit. Like, you can barely see it. So it's just two screws and then it comes out. So let's get it out. Let's get the new ones in and let's see how much brighter they are. So this should be a very simple change out. We are literally just going to remove these two screws. The entire lens cover comes off, and then just pull out whatever bulb you have in there. I have these Amazon LED bulbs in, and then it's literally just take the bulb. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to plug it in, because sometimes if you have them plugged in 180 out, the light won't work. So I like to verify that they are plugged in correctly before I move ahead, and it's working. So I mean, you can tell on camera that is way brighter. So the dome part goes towards the rear, so let's just get that wire tucked up in there and then get this screw on here. So it's a lot brighter. I'm about to go turn my light switch off because these things are bright. So hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta turn that off. Oh my goodness. That is bright. Very, very bright. So I mean, that's all it is to it. It's just taking two out. Like I said, if you plug it in and if it doesn't work, then just take it back out and then just turn it 180. And then same thing for this side. I mean, I'm not even gonna edit this video because I mean, this is as straightforward as what it gets to see a immediate improvement, in my opinion. Now, of course, if you don't want your license plate tag to be seen, you want to do the opposite of what I'm doing. So you do what's best for you. So let's get this lined up and we should be done. Is that the wrong way? No, that's the right way. There we go. You don't want to put the screws too tight because you will crack the plastic. So just put it snug. Don't put it extra tight, just snug enough to where it seals off. So let me turn these lights off, and I'm 100% sure that this is going to be 100% brighter than what it was. Oh yeah, that is bright. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description for these. I've never seen these before. I was on Amazon looking for license plate tag bulbs and I found these. So I want to give them a try. They weren't that expensive. And we'll see how long we'll see how long they last. I don't have good luck with these LED bulbs for the license plate tag lights, whether it be on my truck or my Mazda. I don't have good luck with these. But everybody asks about my tail lights. These are not third-party tail lights. These are OEM Cadillac Escalade tail lights that a guy on the Tahoe Yukon forum, his name was like Vegas something. You basically send your lights to him, and then he will rewire them so that they work with the Tahoes and the Yukons. Same thing for the third brake light. The OEM Escalade brake light is plug and play, but what he did is, so on the Escalade brake light, only like the middle section lights up. It's like from here to here. Well, what he does is that he adds LEDs from here to here and from here to here so that the whole back lights up. And the reason why GM didn't do that is because it's way too damn bright. So let me start it up real quick and then I can show you what I'm talking about. Somebody said I had a couple of LEDs out in my third brake light. They said I had like 2 or 3 out. So I'm gonna show you how bright it is and the reason why GM did not do that from the factory, because like I literally can see the insides of people's cars when they are behind me at night. All right, so y'all got to see in real time and real action how they work, how they look. Now you can just get on eBay and you can literally order that light and it's lit all the way across. I will have a link in the description below. I've actually thought about ordering that to replace this because there's a couple of LEDs out up there. So, but I will have that in the link. I will have that in the video description below. And I will also have, I think they're Eagles that are the LED reps for these, and they're red. They look just like the Cadillac Escalade tail lights, but I think they're called Eagles or something like that. So I will have the Cadillac reps tail lights. I will have the Cadillac rep third brake light, and I don't know if anybody makes the Cadillac side plastics, because the stock Tahoe Yukon ones are round and they don't match the body line on the Escalade tail lights, which is why most people will go with the factory style round ones instead of the Escalade ones. So little tidbit 2025 for an 18-year-old truck. So yeah, like everything you do, think, build, enjoy. Links will be in the description for everything I talked about. Peace.